Right, hi everyone. I've not done a video since before Christmas, so I thought it was about time I'll do another one for you. This will be about fitting the Manpa belt sander attachment onto your grinder. The only real difference between this and the body for the belt cutter, if you haven't already got a belt cutter, it comes oversized with a selection of these aluminium collars that fit over this housing. Let me just demonstrate. So you've got your grinder, Makita 4.5, 150mm. Don't need those, take them off. So just back to the basic drive thread. Now with the if I was fitting the belt cutter, you need this aluminium housing and you get a nice tight fit. It's really tight actually, but it's designed with a collar so it'll fit different makes of grinder because they're not all the same diameter. But with the Manpa belt sanding attachment, these are specifically designed to fit this size, so they've got a set diameter. So they are recommending Makita. I think they could possibly fit Bosch as well, but safe bet Makita, and it fits directly over. Tighten with the Allen key. But before we go on to that, this is the, I suppose you call it a drive drum that the belt attaches to. So just a case of screwing that on. I just did it hand tight, but there's a hole in there that you could get a screwdriver or something just to give it a bit of a tighten. So once you've got that on, it's just a simple case of slotting that over, getting the Allen key that's provided, give it a tighten. Also, like the belt cutter, you can change the angle to whatever you need it for. I'll just keep it straight for now. Just drop the Allen key. Hold on. So yeah, there you go. So that just tightens up. So that's spinning round. That's what drives the belt, and that spins. This is adjustable. It's got a spring inside here. It's got handle. There's two different grits available. What's this one? That's a 40. Quite aggressive. I think that's probably an 80, but can't see. Maybe 100. Looks like 100 on there. But we'll put the 40 on. So you literally thread it. Can you see? Push it in, thread it over the lip, and then what I actually find is you just got to push it down a bit just so you can get it on, and there you go, that's on. Handle screws in. And you're good to go. So there you are. Like I say, you can adjust the angle of the nose, and there's also a couple of little adjusting screws there. So if the belt's sort of wanting to ride off in one direction, you just have to tweak these two screws just to centre it up a bit, but easy as that.